Sakshi.
Hi Akshita.
From BSc First Sem of Rural Nursing Training Institute are going to show you hair wash treatment as well as pediculosis treatment.
So why do we do the procedure and for whom?
Some of the indication for this procedure are patients who have been bedridden for a very long period of time or patients who have orthopedic surgery such as arm fracture and as well as arthritis.
So the articles required for the procedure are Macintosh, brochure, bucket, oil, shampoo, paper bag, safety pins.
So before doing the procedure, there are two kinds of procedure for unconscious patient and as well as conscious patient. If the patient condition allows them to move, then we will take the patient to a nearby sink and we will perform the procedure over there. But if that's not the case, we will do the procedure on the bed only.
Firstly, we will take consent from the patient to do the procedure.
So before doing so, we will tell the patient about the procedure and we will take the pillow from the patient and we will move the patient to the edge of the bed carefully. After doing so, we will put back the pillow under the shoulder of the patient to provide the support.
And will place a brochure from the bag and also.
After putting the draw sheet, we are going to put a Macintosh under the patient. As you know, the Macintosh is waterproof. So when we pour the water onto the head of the patient, the Macintosh will allow the water to come straight into the bucket.
Now we will apply the cotton balls to the ears so that the water cannot reach to the ear.
We will also apply a clean cloth or a bandage over the eyes of the patient so that the shampoo and water does not enter the eyes of the patient.
Now we have two types of water, hot water and cold water. We will make the temperature of the water normal. The normal temperature for the procedure is 40 to 42 degrees Celsius.
We can check the temperature with our hands or also with a thermometer. Now we will take some amount of water to rinse the hair properly. So we will adjust the bucket and we will rinse the water over the head of the patient. So we will firstly apply the water thoroughly over the head. And after doing so, as you can see, the hair of the patient is wet now. We will apply shampoo. You can take any kind of shampoo with you. We will pour some amount of shampoo in our hand and we will massage the scalp of the patient properly. So by massaging the scalp of the patient, it stimulates the blood circulation in the head and as well as remove the blood particles in the head. So after doing so, we have thoroughly applied the shampoo. Now we will rinse out the shampoo like you do all at your homes. So we will rinse out the shampoo now properly and thoroughly in an anti-clockwise manner or clockwise manner. You can massage the scalp and remove all the shampoo and dirt particles.
Now we will rinse the hair.
We will tap a washcloth over the head of the patient depending on the length of the hair the patient has. If the patient have long hair, we will tie up the washcloth over the head of the patient and will let it soak the water out of the hair. After that, we are done with soaking up all the water from the head. We will now start removing the articles from the patient.
Firstly, we are removing the Macintosh.
Then draw sheet. As you can see, we have removed the Macintosh and the draw sheet. We will remove the ear holes and the eye patch from the patient. And we will put them in the kidney tray or a bowl so that now that the patient is soak up all the water from the head, we will comb the hair. If the patient have long hair, we will do it in short sections.
Now we will provide the patient a comfortable position.
We will remove the patient from the uncomfortable position and will pull them back.
The bed sheet is wet, then we will clean the sheet and transfer the patient to the other bed.
So this was the normal hair care procedure. Now we are going to show you the pediculosis treatment.
In pediculosis treatment, we used it to remove the infections such as lice or ticks, which are blood-sucking parasites.
So the only difference between the pediculosis and the normal hair wash is we are going to wear gloves. So because we are going to use medical shampoo. Before applying the medical shampoo, we will first comb the hair of the patient in small sections. After combing the patient, we will apply the medical shampoo. Like we did in the previous procedure, we will apply the medicine thoroughly on the length of the hair. We have properly applied the medicine, so you know this procedure is done in the evening because we have to leave the medical shampoo overnight for the treatment. So after putting the medicine, we are going to wrap up the patient hair with plastic bag or paper bag. We tie it up properly